Welcome guys to Kizzy Computer World. Remember I told you I will be holding you by the hand and walk you through on how to become a professional graphics designer. So once you've installed the Adobe Illustrator, it will give you these two parameters. You just need to click on one. So once you click, you run it as an administrator, then it will open. So while we wait for the Adobe Illustrator to open, it's opened already. So this now, we can, if you click here, it simply means you don't want to see this anymore the next time you open the Adobe Illustrator, or you can leave it and click done, but for me I will just remove it for once and for all. So in this video I will be showing you the interface of the Adobe Illustrator, how to use it. What I mean by the interface is the things we are seeing on the Adobe Illustrator, all these things, how to use them. So first we'll start with the file. The file, we can set the file to be an option or just a link that leads to more button. Yeah, a link that leads us to more button. So like this now, this is new. The new here is creating a new document, like making a new document, what you want to do, while the new from template is opening a template that you are working on. So why this one now, the open is to open a project that you are working on. So let's just move over to the new. We'll just click on it. Yeah, so all these things you see, this one is the name of the project. Let's say we are designing a 3D logo. Let's say we are designing a 3D logo. We'll just put a 3D logo there. Then the next one now is the profile. You see something like print. This now is asking you, this design, are you trying to use it? Will you print it after designing, or do you want to use it do you want to upload it to a website or use it in a devices or videos and the rest of them? So if you really want to print this after designing, you have to leave it on that print. Then if you want to upload it to a website, you put it on the web and the rest of them. Yeah. Then the next one is number of artboards. Like how many copies do you want this thing to be? You will get to know more about this when we'll be designing things like business card and the rest of them. That is when you get to know more about this number of artboards. Then this one is the size. The size here is in what size do you want your design to appear. Like here we have letter, larger, A3, A4 and the rest of them, which I know most of you are very much aware of this A4. So like why designing letter-headed paper? Letter-headed paper is always on A4. So something of that nature. What size do you want it to appear? Then under it we have something like width, height and the rest of them. The truth is, what if you want to design a Facebook media post? You know, a Facebook media post don't really have a size, so but you need to make up your own size. So what if you want to do that? So all you just need to do is just to put the size here, highlight this and put the size, and it will reflect immediately. Then on your right you see something like units. This has to do with the measurement unit. Like what unit do you want it to appear? Do you want it to appear in inches, millimeter, pixels, centimeter, and the rest of them. What unit do you want to own to appear? Then this one now, you see something like under this top, you see something like bleed. This thing is, you get to know this more when we designing a business card, where you have the chance for cutting. After designing, you want to cut the document, it will always give you a chance to cut the document and the rest of them. So after setting everything here, you just click OK. Yeah, just click OK. So this is now every design you want to make must be inside this paper here. Go out. Inside this paper here, for it to reflect well. And this thing you see, this is not background. It is white in color, but it's never a background. If you should print this thing out, you see it will print normal. So this is not background. If you must do anything, you need to add a background to this white space. So in order not to make this video boring, I would like to stop here, and in the next video of today, I will be showing you some other functions of these things, some other functions of all this. So, and I want you to know something. There is no way I'm going to tell you everything how it functions here, but with time, as you practice, as you keep practicing, you get conversant with many of them. But the basic ones, I will tell you, I will explain them to you. So see you in the next video.